Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBit Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an absolute amazing day. Today is Wednesday, August 22nd, 2018. And today was a very interesting day. I've been pretty busy, at least for the better half of the day, better half of the afternoon, helping out these guys. So a very quick little story. I had to move the washer and dryer of the house next door down. And let's just say that I should probably stick to trading. But I thought I did a pretty good job, Harley, don't you think?
Sure.
But yeah, so let's go ahead. I'm going to recap on my day today when it comes down to trading, kind of what led to my success, what I could have done better. We have Kyle in the back right here if you guys want to say what's up to him. So we have all these people that are tuning in live. If you guys ever want to tune in live to our video, be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I want to thank you guys again for 300,000 subscribers. We just hit a little bit over 140,000 members within the TechBit Solutions Facebook group, and that is that third link in the description. I think we did an amazing job today for those that are part of Learn, Plan, Profit when it comes down to day trading and how I was able to take that position, how I was able to lock in profits, and kind of what led to my success with that. So again, if you ever want to watch me trade live, invest 30 seconds, 1 minute, click that first link in the description and learn a little bit more about Learn, Plan, Profit. But let's go ahead and just recap. So I'm going to talk about my trades, what led to my success. I still held a position not knowing that I was still in the position. I thought I set my OCO bracket up for JDST. I did not. I'm down on the position, so I guess I'm going in for a swing trade. And not too sure how I feel about that. I could still sell during extended hours. I'm going to give it a little bit more time for it to kind of consolidate. So /GC was definitely a big one that I was watching today. I'm going to share everything that I did today. So first of all, with DGAS, I closed out a little bit over $403.13 profit, as you guys can see on the, right-hand corner, at least for me right here. And what I did was during pre-market hours and as the market opened, all I was doing was scalping it as we were preparing for market open. Had a little bit of a sell-off, took a position, sold the highs, sold off again, stopped trading it myself. The Learn, Plan, Profit group did an amazing job doing that. That was all great and dandy, right? When it comes down to the JNUG position, this is really where it all happened. So JNUG had a very aggressive sell-off. And I saw this very consistent pattern of a descending pattern. If you look at /GC, this is something that we were covering. /GC was also showing signs of a descending pattern. So it broke below the middle VWAP. It was showing signs of a descending pattern. It was showing signs of consolidation, then continued to sell off. And that is why I took a position on JNUG, and I cleared a little bit over $95.56 profit. So altogether, actually, with those two trades, is about $3 short, if I'm not mistaken, to $500. And that's really all I locked in today. The third position that I took today, so it was a total of 3 different ETFs, if I'm not mistaken. And the third one was JDST. I was up, what would you say, for all those that are part of Learn, Plan, Profit, if you guys want to say, I'm not too sure how long it took, but let me just tell you where I took my position. For JDST, as it was pushing up, it was right around this area right here where it pushed up and everything was going great. I was up about $170 in literally like 2 minutes. And I was just investing in something that was showing signs. First of all, why is it that I took that position? It was trading in between the middle and top VWAP, and it was scalping between the EMA line, which is this blue line, and that top VWAP, which is the red line that I have set up right here. I saw that it was pushing up. I didn't lock in profits. I closed out the live stream, right, because I finished that 1 hour live stream with the Learn, Plan, Profit group, and I moved on with my day. I started working with the guys next door, kind of talking about them moving out and stuff like that, starting to move certain things out and then moving the washer in here out, and just going through my day, I thought I set my OCO brackets properly. I did not. It sold off. It tried to recover. It sold off. And as of right now, based on the position that I took at $77.96 and where it's currently at as of right now, I'm down about 1.9%. And is this something that I should be worried about? The only reason that I'm worried about this one is if you look at /CL on the 180-day analysis, it's not really this. I mean, /CL shows a pretty aggressive sign of a descending pattern as of right now. It's, the SMA line is definitely pointing down. But the thing about JDST is that if you look at the 180-day chart, it's very overbought. It's not a good deal, and it's very overextended. Yes, it does have a support right around $75. It's not something really that I want to test to explore. So I'm going to keep you guys up to date with what I choose to do with that potential swing trade. I have a little bit under $25,000 invested in JDST at the moment, so it's definitely something that I'm going to have to follow up with. Tomorrow might be a good day. Tomorrow might be a bad day. We'll have to, again, I talk to you guys about where my entry point was. And for all those that are part of Learn, Plan, Profit, you guys all saw me enter that specific position. So I did see Ishmael here. What's it called? Ishmael, you were tuning in. Hope your flight went well. We already miss you here in Arizona. Do you ever look at DXY? No, it's not something. What's going on, Don? I actually didn't even see that it's you. That it was you. What's going on, Synox? But yeah, just so yeah, 1.9%. So, I'm sorry, not /CL, but /GC. I apologize, Desert. Man, I'm all over the place. Why, it's lagging? If you guys think that it's lagging, all you guys have to do is go to the little settings thing right here, go to quality, and make sure that it shows 720p. So I just wanted to apologize very quickly. I wasn't showing my screen. But yeah, so I want to apologize for not going live at around 9 to 10 a.m. in the morning, which is when I normally do. It just has to do with kind of the move. For the next couple of days, if you've messaged me within Discord, if you've messaged me anywhere really, I'm not going to be responding as actively. We leave to Europe on Sunday. I just sold a house. Huh?
Saturday.
What did I say? Sunday? Yeah. So we're leaving on Saturday morning, and we're driving out to California, and we're flying out from there. But and then we have the move. We officially close, if I'm not mistaken, on Saturday as well. So we'll have the notary meet us in California. Yeah, and then I officially closed the sale. So I actually have a screenshot. I'm not too sure if I'm going to be able to pull it up. I think I should. Of the close of the house next door. I don't even know if you guys even care to see it and stuff like that. Let me see, did I pop it up? Yeah, I think I covered my personal information. So give me one quick second. Let me just make sure everything is good, huh?
Said I hope you did.
Yep, let's hope so. So I'm pretty pumped. I wanted to show you guys kind of like how it looks and stuff like that. So very simple little like email that I received. I just had to agree to it. So it was sent out. Fidelity National Title says, congratulations, here's the certificate final settlement statement for your records. So that means I pretty much had to leave the house, right? That after we received this, we got the message that we had to make sure that we vacated the property and make sure all of our stuff is outside of the house. So, now officially sold that house, no longer own the house next door. Can't say that anymore. I have this house, and then we have the house that we just purchased that we officially closed, if all goes well, by this Saturday. So super pumped on that. Again, we did a really decent job when it comes down to trading. I was a little bit under my daily goal. I could have done a better job with my swing trade. I'm not too worried about that JDST position though. It's been consolidating for quite some time, and I'm really looking forward to Thursday and Friday and making sure that we end the year or end the week on a green note. So I really do appreciate absolutely everything it is that you guys do. It says, Ricky, I'm new. I'm still learning. Wanted to know if I'm reading the charts correctly, and Amazon is showing in the candlestick for today. Heading up tomorrow. Appreciate your time. Let me go ahead and check that out. So AMZN. Okay, so AMZN is definitely showing signs of a potential reversal. It's on its way to potentially make higher highs. Let me go ahead and share my screen a little bit. So kind of like what I focus on right here is, it's been showing signs of a pretty consistent ascending uptrend pattern. Looks like last time we saw resistance right around 1926, right? I think that's fair to say. Started showing signs of a descending pattern, broke below the EMA line, started trending down. Recently started showing signs of an uptrend. Candles are now above the EMA line, showing signs of an uptrend. Not even just that, but the MACD is also in its favor with that buy confirmation. Again, you never want to rely solely on one indicator, but I definitely see why it is that you see value in that pattern. I personally would not trade it just because I don't see this margin of profit to be worth it. It offers about 2% until it hits that 52-week high. It's up to you if that's something that you see value in. It's just not my trading style, but I wish you the best in your position if it's something that you choose to end up trading. So if you guys didn't check out yesterday's video, I filmed it, or I guess it was this morning, but it was at midnight last night, right? And I talked about the top 10 stocks that I saw value in this week. I'd really encourage you guys to check out that video, as we talk about a lot of concepts and technical analysis that I think can really benefit you guys. And that's really just it. Just a friendly reminder that the Learn Plan Profit starter package, for those that are wanting to get enrolled in Learn Plan Profit, is this Friday. So we're going to be giving you a new laptop, $500, $250 to donate to a charity of your choice, and also a $50 TechBuds Solutions, TechBuds Apparel gift card. And there's going to be one lucky winner. If you're already enrolled in Learn Plan Profit, you're automatically, not automatically selected, but already part of the giveaway. And then if you enroll by Friday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, then you will automatically be in the running to be one of the winners and stuff like that. So that's really just it. So I don't mind those late night live lectures. Super happy to hear that. Yeah, everyone was telling me, like, why are you going late so live? Felt like I needed to make another live video. I owed you guys that video, so just wanted to make sure that I talked about that. So can you look at FNKO? I already looked at FNKO when it broke and made higher highs today. So I did see that it was showing signs of it making higher highs. I don't think it's a good deal. If you look at the 180-day chart, it's very overextended. I specifically remember talking about that in the Learn Plan Profit lesson library. So again, there's two things that we really like to focus on. Is just asking yourself, being honest with yourself, and saying that, are you getting a good deal when it comes down to the stock or equity that you're trading? And if so, is it showing signs of an uptrend? Is it confirming and making higher highs? Is it making higher lows? Making sure that it's showing signs of an uptrend. If your whole purpose is to grow your account, then you want to make sure that the pattern in the direction of that specific stock is doing the same thing. So it just makes sense. So again, focus on getting a good deal, focus on the overall direction being in your favor. And with that, I feel like a lot of people would be much better off in making sure that they're investing in something that's actively trending up. So I wish you guys the best. We have a really busy day ahead still. We're working with Kyle, working with a couple different people that are going to be coming over in just a bit. So a lot of exciting things planned for TechBuds Solutions and Learn Plan Profit, even when we are in Europe. So again, we are going to be visiting Europe starting this Saturday, and I'm super excited to meet a couple of you guys that are going to be in the different destinations that we're going to be at. So again, follow me on Instagram if you guys don't already, so you guys can stay up to date on where it is that I'm going to be traveling to. So thank you guys again. Like always, continue working hard, continue following your dreams. Let your passion be what drives you in your success. And hey, Ricky, you have a lot of people with LPP from Europe. No problem with the time difference. Yeah, we have quite a bit of people that are that are enrolled in LPP from Europe. Just make sure we go live, so you get to watch me trade live every single day at 6:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So check that out on what that is for you, and just use that as a reference. So I go live for about 1 hour every single day. You get to watch me trade live, and not just that, but it's kind of like this, where you ask questions and I commentate while I'm trading. So it's one of the most effective and biggest values of being enrolled in Learn Plan Profit. So yeah, thank you guys again. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. We'd really appreciate the thumbs up. Take it easy.